Okay guys, welcome back to another brand new video and welcome back to another gameplay video. So guys, non mange nalik tum chini da hypo last episode long bang. Lapen last scene long bang nalik tum hala Kerin ben Vira phaneli ahem undrop no lapen. Kerin ben Vira phan bang police men pajok no lo. Ge hala so kapajok don pot ge non mange Vira pen Kerin bang nang chitong thap puyat lo. Galas non mange Kerin hem anam po lapen Vira hem anam po. Lapen alang tu pia planning dong kurine lapen pia planning dong kabonai lo ne ke la si vira hem andam po lapen kerin phan sitong nam po ke alang tu pia asin lo ne ke alang tum sinang than po lapen pia plan lo ne alang tum sinang than po ke non mang ke alang tem alai palena ke non mang ke jo mohat si la so gari bang hudun de lo hala pine long pen supercar lo Lamborghini lo lan lo lapen non ili gido bang ke Frank ahem an arai sidalo Frank banglo long sidalo ya Frank banglo la nalik tum dak pan thek long ha intui pi la sem ke Frank 5 and banglo si to dak ta lapen Frank ke la dak a city long Vega city long ke ake then nai lo la pene bang ke gangster ake then nai lo to dang te non bang ke kerin ben vira phale chitong nama oh sorry जो पुलिस केस lagi lock liyo पुलिस केस lagi lock lo oke cepat jawab nangkok po Lamborghini lang nang funde pulis gari ke oke kat nangkok liyo pulis dong benda cepat jawab nangkok lo guys oh sorry labang ke military base liyo ladak military base lo army tung dak sidalo lamang ke military base long da attack nahi pu alamang hala pine bang sinang pulo lamang ke hala beni bang nang pulo seta choklo labang ke mo asin bang thek mon long bompo lasin non bang ke la police pen chipa jok na layo nili kare kang bopon pare super car da mane hingno da prang ya pinaglo seta choklo non bang ke la so cash bang chipa jok nang po alam bang ni license ab delo la dak bang ke Vegas long bang Vegas city long bang hala license bang nang pipi delo car pe ni vega a license di awi delo la singke asabo bag la tingke cash lagi lo tik lo oke dak sepatu joy nang to sonang jiplain ne oke non bang ke jok ala yo oke non bang gala vira kon an tong nang papang toy ne phone call de tiklo oke map lang nang po vira bang nang papang toy ke lasol lam oke lasol lam sinang papang toy ha vira bang ke la market na oke hello chat po yo ke damita Tapa prap jinjin na supercar alam dala prap pig lo guys tasa supercar kan sinal tim ning dok lo dang de like thala pen comment tha comment nang pipe da dektik mane nang tim nang se comment nang pilo dang de asapo video heis customers name ining room ponusat pola pen nang tim nang subscribe dun lo dang de video heis name kimi ke wanji fan ining hang po laban laso a game long bang sabta crime lo guys kat ang to na crime lo dake jela bas ke vek tum da crime se claim la lo vek pa me license do tum lo lage oke ledakan senang pamang toy ha vira kerin bang ledakan senang pamang toy oke guys non bang ini citong alo kerin ben vira phan citong alo ke non bang ke aheman lebang oi pialo to dang te alang tumale citong nam tuna
Tell
Okay
the
guys,
room
non
to
lo dak
stop
bang alo.
spinning. It's making me queasy.
Oh, la
Miss
dak sto ko
Montello.
la magyo.
You talked to Frank yet?
Who? Oh yeah, this is a situation
La
that
vida bang
requires
sarpi
some
pigan lo. La
finesse.
magge.
He lost a lot of money on you.
Okay.
We can protect your kid, but you're gonna have to work to earn that protection.
Okay, PSC ne la bang
Them's the
video bang
rules.
nang lang dun bam
One
na.
of my
PSC
earners
nung dei
named
ne.
E-Man might be able to use you. Go find him.
Okay, la magge chingwai lo hala vira bang na pu email phan chitong nam thap yat lo. Tadang de email phalai chitong nam ma. La la mo ni kewana gari le ya. Email phan pi kam de chitong nam thap yat lo. Asai bang mo chini pon bom po. Okay, go meet email. Okay, chitong nama email phan
Where
da.
are you, my tiny darlings? Where did... here's with you.
Are you
Oh.
E-Man?
Sometimes, sure, okay. Sometimes not so much. Depends upon your perspective, I guess.
Right. Vera sent me.
Excellent timing, for I have been attacked and fleeced by a dragon
A what?
with several heads. Terribly fast, roaring in and out of nowhere, on a board, wheels, so much laughing.
So you got jacked by a couple of skateboarders. Got it.
Except you don't got it. They got it. They took the secret formula. The one and only scroll. If other alchemists make the potion, no money for the Yepris, you see?
Ah, so they took, like, your formula for whatever it is you make.
Precisely.
I'm on it.
Okay, non magge dunang po. Nani ho karta nani.
Oh,
Okay, email na pipilo do na iyo. Okay, let's go, Iman.
Hell,
I'm coming, you're back.
What are you on that makes you run so fast?
I follow you. Okay, la email long le follow do na. Okay, inun munit pa nagpasitong papiya tani. Oh, la hello.
This is your
Gangster lo la
dragon?
tumta.
I
Mina
was
geng
expecting
durep
someone
mati
with a
ding
little
kela.
less acne.
La so geng tum lo ta ka break tum lo.
got something of
Oh,
mine.
Jason man tek long mat kat lab lo ya.
Come on, you little punk. Hand over the formula or drugs or whatever.
Simon,
Or my fists are
come
gonna get
on.
creative with your face.
Oh, shit.
Little Jolo lagi chitong laphan lo pati ni.
They
Lama
didn't
ngai
teach
pati ni
subtlety
wala
in big
laphan.
muscular man school, did they? Follow and take notes. The formula's
Okay, let's
getting
go.
away with the kid. Holy hookers. My mind is imploding and the world is on fire. Ooh, this formula is gonna be a hit.
Oh, Jason na kila kong lo lama ngai ya.
I'm hot on the scent. Dragons leave a wake of
Oh,
smoke and
lating ay
pixie
chale.
dust.
What happened, man? Oh, gari license abi det man ne check hello la tuman geo. Okay, hala long le tu nai ho.
You alright?
Wish I could undo that sandwich that I did. Oh, I'm winded.
I'll be faster without you.
Oh,
Little Zoo.
no! Fly! Don't let the dragon touch your jewel capsule!
Okay, gusto nang pati ni chindala ya.
I could do this all day, little man.
Stop chasing me! Leave me alone!
I will not leave you, bhai. Okay, pati vek nang pola phan mang ke.
Hold up, or I'm taking your lunch money.
Amane sang se la lamang ke.
Stop chasing me!
Okay, email prapti kan lagi. Okay. Pati la tila la phan ke. Okay. Finally complete la.
I hate to
Jason
see a
lang
kid
pati
go
la
down
la.
like that.
Ala little Zoo phan.
So,
Alam
you're
ang
the
freng
Empress's
asopo
new
pera la bang
muscle?
ke.
Vera?
Freng mang
Just while she
gangster
helps
ke
me
thil
sort
la
out some
bang.
things with Frank Valiano.
Frank? Those two are on speaking terms again? Didn't know hell had frozen
Okay.
over.
What are you talking about?
The Empress and Frank were always at each other's throats before the fall of Rome, and now in the twilight? I have a hard time picturing them sorting something out.
Hang on. Are you saying Vera lied to me? That she can't help me with Frank?
I don't know your story, Muscle, but I do know that you wouldn't go running to St. Peter if you were looking to work something out with the devil. And now, I bid you good morrow. Thanks for the help. See you around.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay guys, non mangga pati lo, angge asin mangga pido tong du thulang ni ho. Angge la freng asopo phan mangga non pati dam lo. Angge ke pati ta dak mat si pati lo. Okay, la Jason mangga aphan si lahai ke pati bini ni asin mangga nang hang lo. Okay guys, non aku vira bang phone call tu fit lo. Hadak mohe thala freng asopo phan bang pati dam lo madi ingke hala support isi alam du biar lo. Lapen hala freng asopo phan pati et pen ke freng apoisa et bang nilitim ihudam et po biar lo lasinon bangke freng apoisa bangke aku enam tu po tadang te a video bang le nang lang bam na non bangke aku vira phan chitong nam thuna.
How'd it go with email?
Okay guys, non bangke
He tells me you
vira
and
phan
Frank
chitong
are
lo
like
angge
mortal
non bangke la
enemies.
plan bang
Yeah,
than bam lo.
So how are you gonna help me
plan ang
smooth
than
things
ni la
over
bangke
with your mortal
no
enemy?
There's not a problem in the world that money can't buy. Or, no, that's not right. You know what I mean. Money fixes everything.
I don't have a lot of cash.
I'm gonna help you out as a favor to your cousin. He was a loyal earner back in the day. Only thing is, a while back, I made the mistake of putting Karen in charge of my finances. Brat's got me on a tight leash. Which is exactly why I called in a favor from an old acquaintance who just
Okay.
dropped off a briefcase full of green at an agreed-upon
Okay.
location. You go for me, pick up the money, then I can bring a little something to the negotiation table. Capiche?
Fine, sure.
Okay guys, non bangke la vira phan chitong lo angke vira bangke ala poisa bang enam denot biar lo la pen hadak hala tumang poisa bang e thirun den biar lo la ke plan mo khabang ke vira bang non mat ke nang than bom lo la pen kerin pen vira bang si la Jason phan bang ke gaiton bom lo la pen plan mo khabang e than bom lo to non bang ke hala poisa bang le enam na. Okay, dapat bite pen sedang mah car pen sedang macam white roy lo guys. Jason ke ketiap tab bite pen ke kita mai kompik lo, lapen bite pen dam ji pelute super bite pen sidam dam lo. Dan cu last asin long mangke skutar sih dek pen lo, tanon mangke ala poisa bang le enam na. Okay, non location long anmang nang le lo.
Vera, I'm at the pickup spot.
Okay,
but,
Vira phone call lo
there's like
Jason
a
bang.
bunch of guys here.
What?
Okay.
Must have gotten
Phone
a
call mo
tip-off.
mo.
You gotta get that money. But the last thing we want is unwanted attention. No bang bang is what I'm saying. You get me?
Yeah, I gotcha.
Hey, there he is! Take him down!
I gotta go.
Walk right
Okay,
into
la
this
tuan
one,
pati ni
chump.
biar beat on
You cost me a lot of
beat
money,
up
Malone.
everyone or thing chot nang po. Okay, just okay bilang mah.
Frank, when Frank says go down, you go down.
Bilang mah. Okay, nah ini bilang. Beat up everyone biar. Okay, lah lo tangkap biar lah so box lo pon. Lah get the crypt biar. Okay, bang bang phohan lo pati ta. Okay, non bang ke lah secret bang le pon sana. Yo. Okay. Non create bang panin la.
These guys knew who I was. They mentioned Frank.
Nah, the arrangement I got with Frank involves him staying out of downtown.
This associate of yours. How tight are you?
You saying this was a setup?
I don't know, but these guys were expecting me. All due respect, man. You gonna be able to help me out or not?
Kid, you're on Frank Villiano's bad side. If I can't help you out, no one can.
Okay non Kerin phan phun call tu alo ge Kerin mang ge la so poisa bang enang long padu nang pier la ge mo next ni hem bang lo blo dang te ge la bang so poisa bang ge ji thak nang pier la pen party ta do nai pier la lang nang pu bang ge la dang te bini bang ge lan ve la a video bang ge la si la so video along interesting opi ma la bang nang tum comment section nang pachini ve kha la pen video ke se mars da me asabo interest do muchat to nang tum si comment section hai la pen comment lang ju message comment nang video pulo dang te la si pini video bang ge la pon ve la si kado ko weta next episode fan bang la pen next asin fan bang chong hong ding na la pen next video pan chong hong ding na si pini video bang ge la pon ve la